2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as multi-zone air conditioning, power outlet, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, front split bench seat, rear bench seats, manual transmission, driver side front airbag. This is a top-rated dealer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.